Galaxy Watch Ultra design is about squarish case, 3 buttons, 1.5-inch AMO LED screen. It's time to have all the top smartwatches leading the landscape swept under the rug, as the Galaxy Watch Ultra has been announced with a slew of remarkable features fanatics have been longing for the past few months. The Galaxy Watch Ultra, revealed at the recently concluded Galaxy Unpacked 2024, is a durable and feature-rich contender in the high-end smartwatch market. Backed by a scratch-resistant titanium case, 100 meters of water resistance, unmatched battery life, and various features for health tracking, it proves more than a good-looking wrist ornament. Galaxy Watch Ultra price. While the cost its buyers will have to bear is above the middle tier, $650, this price point is big enough to hush away those waiting to embrace even a tiny glimpse of it. Galaxy Watch Ultra design. To retain existing users and compel new ones too, Samsung has placed the latest Exynos W1000 processor inside the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which ranks it in the same caliber as that of Galaxy Watch 7 in terms of performance, but with 30% smoother handling of functionalities than its predecessor. Majorly based on a 47mm squarish case, 3 physical buttons on the right side, and a round 1.5-inch AMO LED screen. To the surprise of many, the Ultra and its name cuts off all the design linkages with the previous Galaxy Watch, but with a touch of more tantalizing aesthetics. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also features a customizable quick button. This button initiates instant workout and function mapping on time, with emergency siren guaranteed for the latter function.